Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Savana. The Savana passenger van is a blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Available in 8, 12, and 15 passenger models, the Savana has been designed and refined with safety as the constant goal. Electronic stability control system, StabilaTrak, and traction control are standard on all models and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.